Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Viennese. Today we're trying out a new foundation that is, well, wait a minute. I don't want to tell you too much. I guess you can already tell what I think, but let's get into the video. All right, you all, so we're ready to try out this foundation. I'm so excited to try it out. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Sublime Perfection Foundation. This is what the box looks like, and when you open it up, here is the bottle. Now this foundation was on the higher end. It's one of my more expensive foundations. This was $69, so a little bit over 70 with tax. And also, I have never tried a Pat McGrath foundation before. Now I'm a very neutral foundation girl. I love a foundation that doesn't pull orange, doesn't pull red. So I took my time going through the foundations and I ended up picking up this one. If you are like me, I know that there's people there to help me, but once I've kind of figured out my own skin, because nobody knows you like you unless you do need help. I know some people may not be that familiar with makeup and picking out your foundation, but once I have found out what I like to just pick it myself so that I don't have to keep returning things, because I don't like to do that. So we'll see how good I did today. It can be a very challenging thing picking out your right shade, because there's been many times where I've had to return, or you know, when I got home like this isn't it. But I wanted to try this first with you, friend. I have not tried this on my face, and oh, now that I'm at home, it's like my heart is beating. Like, did I pick the right shade? You know what? I probably should have shook this up because it's coming out a little bit oily. But I did hear that this is a watery foundation, so maybe that's how it is. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's just the way it is. So if you get this and it seems watery, that's because it is. And this is the consistency of it. Very liquidy. I mean, almost to the point where I thought it wasn't mixed. So here we go. I'm going to apply this to my face, but I feel like I'm going to have to work fast because, like I said, it's very watery. Ooh, I had to catch it. It's even more watery than a serum. Okay, I'm gonna do dots because it's more controlled that way. You see how that's just streaming down? All right, let's see. Oh, I'm using my BK 101 brush for this. It has a slight sweet smell, but not too overpowering. Wow, it's really blending out perfectly. I've heard that this is just like skin. I'm gonna add a little bit more up here. And you know, the fact that I don't have to use a lot of this, you guys see these little dots I'm putting? That is very, very encouraging and makes me happy, because for the price, you want it to last long. And I feel like I would barely have to use any of this foundation to get a skin-like look. Let's pull that down over our neck. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. We got snow today. Yesterday, it was a thunderstorm, flood warning. And then today, I woke up to snow, like not just a little bit, a lot. This weather's changing, but I'm here for it because I've really been enjoying the snow this season. Let me know, what is your favorite season? Comment down below your favorite season and why. I still think mine is fall, but I've really been enjoying every season, to be honest. All right. Wow. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I think I did very well on the color match, if I do say so myself. I'm so glad it's not too light and it's not too dark. And look at this. It does look like skin. And I did have on a hydrating primer underneath to prep my face, and that was the NYX Plump Right Back. I'll tag it below, but this looks like skin. Wow. Like, do you see the highlight peeking through? You all know I love a foundation that looks like skin. That is where I am going these days. I like to look very skin-like, especially with the summer coming up. I just love that glowy, shine from within look that you can get with a foundation like this. I'm already impressed. I am already impressed. And this is the first impression video. Of course, I'll have to update you all and check out my vlogs, because that's where I want to really start updating when I do first impression videos, how the products are going. Are they going well? Do I still like them? And wait, I didn't even read the claims. It says it's buildable, perfecting coverage, weightless texture, yes, satin finish, yes, runway tested, and a universal formula for all skin types. Oil-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free. It said fragrance-free, but I did smell a little bit of, maybe that's just the ingredients that has a smell, but I did smell a little bit of something. It had like a sweet smell, but not too much. This is the medium deep 25. Yes, I feel like this is going to last me so long, because that was only one layer. I can definitely tell how it could be built up, but I don't want to build it up anymore. This is beautiful. I mean, literally beautiful. So I see why they say it's buildable coverage, because with that first layer, I can still see imperfections peeking through, but it's still covered enough the way I like it. Like, I don't have to have all of my blemishes completely gone. I want to look like I'm not wearing makeup, but I am wearing makeup sometimes. It just depends on my mood. It literally depends on my mood. I will go from nothing to all the way there. And I love that. That's just what I love about makeup, but definitely so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup off camera, and I'm going to hop back on when I've finished applying all of my different products, see how this looks together, and then we'll talk about it. And all right, friend, we are back with all the makeup applied. I'm literally amazed. It looks just like my skin. Friend, I hope you can really tell. I see why it's a little bit more expensive, but when I say worth it, yes. Sometimes it's worth it to pay a little bit more, because I can see where that's the case for this foundation. But I mean, you all saw how it came out so liquidy. That's what makes it look skin-like. And it spread out so easily. I definitely think this is a good makeup if you are a beginner. If you are a person that does not like makeup, doesn't want to look like you're wearing makeup, this is the foundation for you. You just want to look glowy and your skin just a little bit more even. I mean, this is stunning. And I would recommend this if you are just a makeup lover like me and you want a skin like glowy finish. I'm just so amazed. Beautiful friend, let me know what you think down in the comments. It's worth every dime. I had heard it was like one of the top-notch foundations. And yeah, I see why. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for joining me on today's video. If you have not hit subscribe yet, do it now. Hit subscribe. You want to stay here. We talk about all things Jesus, beauty, makeup, natural hair. I'm a straight natural. And I just want to say to you all, I appreciate you so much. Like, I was reading the comments today and yesterday, and they literally could bring tears to my eyes. You guys are the best community. You guys keep me encouraged. You keep me lifted. I'm trying my best to respond to every comment. I see them. I feel the love, and it just pushes me to keep going. I just want you guys to know that I love you so much. And I don't just get normal comments. I get like long, heartfelt, amazing comments. And thank you for making this YouTube experience so wonderful for me. And I hope that you are enjoying being here in this community where we just love each other, uplift each other, no negativity, where we're just all growing in God and loving Him and loving each other. And I just think it's so amazing. Just wanted to make sure I said that. But I will have all of the makeup products that I use tagged in the video so that you can get all the products. If you do buy from my links, I do get a commission. So thank you. I appreciate that if you do that. But more than anything, thank you for being here. If you know somebody that might like content like this, please share the video with them. Don't forget to hit like, because that does help my videos get pushed. Also, I'm trying to get to 100,000, and I got the sweetest comment. Speaking of comments, I'm going to read it to you. So I just got this from my friend Jacqueline, and this is what I'm talking about. Like, how could this not make anybody's day? It says, I love all that you do. God is truly working in your life. I love it when you are in detail and you really genuinely care what you like. You hold nothing back, and that means a lot. You keep being who you are, that is genuine, and a God-fearing spirit. You will get to that 100K plus in no time. God bless you and your family. That is from my friend Jacqueline, and that is what I'm talking about. I know that we're talking from a camera, but I really feel the connection and value the relationships that I get on this channel. So thank you, Jacqueline. Thank you for being here. And you guys are all so sweet. Just know that you are keeping this girl over here encouraged, and God is so amazing. So I love you so much. And more importantly, Jesus loves you. And I will see you on the next video. Bye, friend. Mwah.